Let f of x be 3 sine of pi x. A, write down the amplitude of f. Okay, so we know that sine of x ranges between -1 and 1. So if we have an outside transformation that's multiplying sine of whatever domain I have by 3, then that means that I'm multiplying everything here by 3. Right? So that would be -3 is smaller than or equal to 3 sine of x, which is smaller than or equal to 3. So this is going to give me my new range, right? So consider this. Consider that I have a sine function that looks like this. Okay, I know that it has a maximum value at -1 and it has a minimum value at 1. So this is 1, sorry, a minimum value at -1 and a maximum value at 1. So this is my sine function, original sine function. And if I multiply by 3 outside, what's going to happen is that every single value of y is going to be multiplied by 3. So when it's 0, it remains 0. These 3 points here are where y is equal to 0. But if I multiply by 3, everything else is going to be multiplied by 3 as well. So it's going to now range from 3 all the way to -3. Okay, so yeah, this is not a very good representation of sine of x, but let's just see if we can do better. Let's do it once again. So I know that now my function is going to go all the way to 3, and it's going to go down all the way to -3. So this is much better. So my function now will range from -3 to 3. And if that's the case, I'm trying to do a vertical line again here. And if that's the case, my amplitude now is going to be, well, where it was once 1, now it's going to be 3. So the answer to A is that the amplitude is equal to 3. B, find the period of f. Okay, so the period has to do with what's inside the brackets, right? What I normally do when I'm given something like sine of bx and I want to know the new period, what I do is I equal bx, whatever is multiplying x, I equal that to the original period of the function, which in this case here is 2 pi. And then I just isolate x, so it'll be 2 pi divided by b. So this is how I find the period. So let's do that. I know that pi times x is going to be 2 pi. And in order to isolate x, I have to divide both sides by pi. So that will become 2 pi over pi, which will be 2. So that's the new period, 2.